All right, so I just want to. This is a recap of my trade today, April 22nd. So when the market opened at 9:30 a.m., I immediately marked my um my highs and my low. You can see the two lines there, the two yellow lines. So that's the high and the low. So and then now I'm waiting for price to break and retest either of them, right? So now price is within the range, and so I'm waiting, which is pretty much what trading is. Most of trading is about just waiting and waiting and waiting for your setup to show up, for your setup to present itself. That is the most difficult part of trading. When you come to trading um aggressively, so then we can see the price broke out and retested. So I got in right here. So there you can see where I bought it, and now we are moving up. It's going up. um we could see there that there is resistance. There's resistance right there, and so there was a struggle. It was struggling to move up, and I had my stop loss in place, so that wasn't an issue. I was just wondering how far it's going to go, and so it broke the resistance. That was a good job, good job. Yes, for breaking that resistance. And you can see it's struggling a bit because it's retesting and pushing forward, but you can tell that we are on an uptrend, and the market was really wanting to push higher. And you see where the red is. That's my where the blue is where I entered. Where you can see the light blue line, that's where I entered. And so um, we are moving up. It's going higher. It's pushing. It broke through the resistance and kept pushing. This is one e-mini contract going long, and then it started to retrace there. You can see the red line, and it was struggling because there was a lot. It was kind of choppy. The higher it went, all that area was full of choppiness. You can see that. You can see how choppy and full of resistances. um so it was a struggle. So I kept a tight stop loss, and I guess, yeah, I kept a tight stop loss to see how far it's going to push, so that I can keep my profits. And waiting for it to push forward. It was a really great trade. Like I was saying earlier, most of trading is really about patience. When you watch the chart and you see all the movements in the candle, there is that tendency to feel like, oh my God, you're missing out. Something is happening. You want to be a part of it. Yeah, look at that push. You see that push? It broke that first resistance right there. You can see on your left, you see the resistances. The purple line you see on the left, that's my VWAP. Um, my VWAP. So yeah, so it's pushing higher. You can see how it's pushing higher. So that's great. As it pushes higher, I pull my stop loss with me in order um to ensure my profits, to lock up my profits. But I try to give a lot of space in between. There was like maybe a 10 point gap in between because of the volatility and because of the resistances that it has on the way. So I tried to give it a little bit of stop space, and so it got to a point where I had 900 and something dollars in profit. But because of the gap that I have to give for the volatility and for it to push forward. So when it retraced a little bit, that's how I was kicked out. And I'm not yet, yeah, so that's how I eventually got kicked out, because of the retracement and the fact that, but I got kicked out with 700 and I think $735 profits. You can see my profit is right there next to my account. You can see the profits for this trade. Now just imagine I bought one ES for $500 and I made 730 something dollars. Tell me, and that was by the time it was 10 a.m. I was already done trading this account, and I moved from this when I saw that it retraced a bit and I saw that the market wanted to push forward.